Let's go.
Right.
Fully in. Let him go.
Through the mouth, huh?
Yeah, mouth, nose, doesn't matter. Whatever you feel. I do it like this. Okay, with your mind, follow your breath. Go on, go on. Fill up your belly, your chest, everything you got. Fully in. Letting go. Fully in. Letting go. We will do 30. 30 breaths. We almost got 10. Fully in. Letting go. Relax. Fully in. Then you let go. Fully in. Letting go. It's all alright. Fully in. Letting go. Here is the meditation. Here's the going deep. Even people meditating for years are not able to go as deep as we will go now. And go. Go with the flow. Like the sea. Waves getting to the shore. Then letting go. And there it comes again. Fully and letting go. 17. Fully in. Letting go. Fully in. Letting go. Fully in. Letting go. You feel light in your head, loose in your body, tingling. It's all alright. Breathe into it. Breathe into it. Intensify. Whatever you feel is different. We are charging up the body. We want to go into the depth. We are charging up the body. Yes, 23. 7 more. Fully in. Let it go. Fully in. Letting go. Fully in. 4. Fully in. 3. Fully in. 2. Fully in. 1. Here comes the last one. Fully in. Let him go. And stop after the exhalation. Just witness. Feel the feeling, the rush. It's your blood in your nervous system. Charges, there's no need for breathing whatsoever. It's no hypnotizing. Just the magic of the physiology at work. Now your body, your nervous system is getting into the brainstem, slowly and surely. Oxygen levels begin to decrease rapidly. Thus the brainstem is beginning to answer, hey, there is no oxygen, but you are alkaline. Your chemistry is right, so there is no need for breathing. But the crocodile doesn't understand. He says, I have to survive. Adrenaline shoots out. You get a reset to your primordial state, wherein the immune system suddenly is within the reach of the will. And it's happening. All what is not necessary in the body, the wrong cells, cancer cells, half cells, it is being expelled because you need to be in function. A danger is happening. The body goes into this autonomic nervous system state of being to be the best of yourself. And you are doing it all consciously. You are at ease. This is the way we get into the deepest and take over control in the neurological pathways are right over there. Blood flow is going into the depth, into all the parts of the brain. Any brain scan is able to tell that. So there it is. Okay, breathe in. And breathe in and hold. And squeeze to your head. 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let it go. That is one round.